Shey dey see am, dat was Tony Elumelu, rich man wey come down from im car, branch for roadside go dey buy roasted corn wen e wan chop. Na there some useless girls you go carry dem go out, dem go dey tell say dem no dey chop corn. You no go even know say the man get money. Look am now, you no go know. E no get pride. See am, no pride. Simple, na so life suppose be. But Nigeria here, pride too much. But this man no different. He no get pride. He own be like Dangote and Otedola. Na friends dem be na, 3 friends. You know say rich man, na rich man dey follow. Because he follow poor man, una go wreck am. He go come poor like una. So na wetin make rich man no dey follow poor person be that. Nigerian girl go carry am go outside, go dey form. And 1 kobo she no get. Yeye girls.